In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect the NAC wires for a Edwards IO series fire alarm panel. So if you see on the front, Edwards IO series, there's a multiple of these panels. You can see on the bottom here the card. All the different panel types is the IO64, but there's several of them. So first we're gonna remove this cover so we could see what we're looking at. Next we're going to identify where our NAC circuits are. So if you look on this right here, you'll see the NAC. Right? You see the two NACs. So there's a resistor strap on one, and then there's the wired in on the other. So what we're going to do is disconnect that NAC circuit, and that way we can do our testing for our alarm devices without horn strobes going off. So trying to do this one-handed while filming, always a challenge. I say it every time. So I loosen that up. Hopefully I could not fuck with this module too much that's in the way and cause even more problems. Or is in there really tight. So maybe we should just loosen up both. Technically I only need to do one, but it's such a nuisance doing this. Whoever made this wire super long. There we go. So now I have the wire out. So now we have our battery missing troubles just because I have the battery lead disconnected here. So that's just part of my test. And then we use our up and down arrows. We'll see NAC 1, battery, NAC 1, battery. There you go. So NAC 1 now in trouble because I have these disconnected. Now you could just do one, but the wiring in here is really tight, so I just did both just to make it easier. But now I have my NAC circuit disconnected. So now I can go testing devices. I can test smokes, heats, pull stations, flow switches, whatever, and I will not set off the audible circuit because I have the NAC circuit removed. So now let's say after we do all our testing, we want to re-enable the system. We want to reset and clear everything so we have no alarms, and then we're going to put our NAC circuit back. So now I'm going to attempt to do this one-handed. See if I can get one in there. Okay. Let's see if we could tighten those down like so. And again, sorry, doing this one-handed while filming is not easy. So we tug on our wires, make sure they're not going anywhere. And then we'll see on the panel, we'll hit our buttons. So we still have our battery trouble, which is fine, that's intended. And we're not seeing any other trouble. We're just down to our one trouble. So now our NAC circuit is plugged back in. So now if we test any horns or strobes or anything like that, the horns or strobes will activate. If we test any smokes or heats or whatever. So again, we're disconnecting our NAC circuit directly off the board here. So we bypass our horns and strobes. Anyway, that is how you disconnect the NAC wiring for a Edwards IO series fire alarm panel.